Today we have an early look at a pair of Air Jordan 1s coming out later this month in America. We got these a little bit early and they are going to probably sell out. So if you're looking for some heat that you're probably going to want to wear or flip, this is a sneaker you're going to want to put on your radar. And if you're a fan of the shattered backboard Air Jordan 1 highs, I'm sure you're probably going to like these just because these sneakers are, quite similar in terms of aesthetic to the shattered backboard. Curious what you guys are going to say about this pair. I did buy these off of StockX. However, we're going to just double check that to make sure they're legit, because of course StockX is currently getting sued by Nike for selling fakes on their platform. But from the box label,
Nani?
the box label honestly guys looks a little sus. It looks a little sus. That's the box though. Let's see the actual shoes. Let's open this up together. The material on this box is kind of, I want to give it the benefit of the doubt. Let's pop the lid. We got the StockX tag, right, or receipts. Ooh, these are nice in person, yo. These are so sick. Bam! Take a look at these. These are the yellow toe Air Jordan 1 highs, aka the taxis, they're calling them, because of that iconic sort of like yellow taxi color that is famous on the taxis in New York City and stuff. Okay, so in terms of smell, they smell good. Like, they don't smell fake, and fakes do have like a really obvious smell. So in terms of at least that, ooh, the quality, yo, the leather quality on this, yo, it is nice. It is nice. You guys are gonna really like these. I can already tell off the bat, these are going to be one of the best sneaker releases of the year, at least in my opinion. But I am slightly biased because I am a huge Air Jordan 1 fan. Oh, so these are from Korea. Cool. So we got the Korean tag right here. So maybe that's why the box is a little bit different, but we got the Korea tag, something I highly doubt is going to be easy to fake. Like this looks super legit in terms of Korean tags. But again, I'm not a Korean Air Jordan expert, so I'm pretty sure these are legit. I'm very happy with these. These are so nice, man. I really think these are gonna sell out, and I expect resale for these to be much higher than a lot of the resale from a lot of other Air Jordan 1s that have come out recently. Because as you guys know, the hype for the Air Jordan 1 has definitely simmered down over these last couple of months, especially when you think about those big releases like the Heritage Air Jordan 1s, when those are pretty much going for retail or even slightly below retail depending on where you are. And then you also had those new gray, the neutral gray that just came out as well. Those are really sick. However, I don't think the resale on those is super crazy either. So I think people are just kind of like, they're hit with like an Air Jordan 1 fatigue at the moment. So I can understand why some people might not be super all over the Air Jordan 1s right now, especially a lot of the people who have bought in a lot of the Jordan 1 mids and stuff that have been just hyped up over the last couple of years. A lot of them are just super casual, like, sneaker consumers. They're not the people going after almost every kind of release out there. They saw that Air Jordan 1s were trending, so they just hop onto the trend. They got their one Jordan 1 and they're out. They're out. You're not gonna see them taking up sneakers from the rest of the people out there to buy. Will these sit? That's the question. And the big answer is no. These are definitely not sitting at all. Like, I can understand why maybe the Heritage 1s or like the gray and white pair of 1s could sit, but these sitting on the shelves, when you consider the color blocking of this, it's like a black toe, like the bread toe actually. It's like the bread toe or shattered backboard kind of color blocking. It's super iconic. The color is kind of at the same time, like, most people are not going to go crazy over this kind of yellow, but at the same time, the shattered backboards, like, people were like, what the heck? Orange Jordan 1. Most people weren't crazy in love with the thought of a black and orange Jordan 1, but those popped off, and look at them now, right? When you think yellow, most people are probably going to think like a Pikachu yellow. Here's Pikachu yellow for comparison, and so this really is more of like a taxi yellow. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about these. Are these a cop or a drop? Let me know. Subscribe, hit that like button, and yeah,